Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a little demo in our house. With quarantine happening, we've been doing a lot more home improvement projects that have been on our list for a long time. And we didn't really have much to show you before. It was mostly just like we did some gardening, got some new furniture for outside, but today we are going to be hopefully finishing this built-in shelving unit that we were trying to work on for a while. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe if you can, because we would love to have you here, and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see and you want to see more DIY and house projects. We definitely love doing them. They're fun. And this is our first home, by the way. We've been here for a little over 2 years now. And go ahead and hit that notification button if you want to be notified every time that our new videos go live. Alright, so we kind of cheated, and yesterday we already started ripping this thing out. I'm going to see if I have a picture that I can pop in here right now. But, so this, you can see from the way that it's ripped out of the wall, that whoever was here before put this thing in not centered on this wall, and I don't know why. And it had this weird molding around it that was just a little not what we wanted. And they like illegally buried some wires and stuff back here. This is, I guess, some of the plumbing, and we didn't have access to it, so if anything had gotten clogged up, we would have had to cut this thing open anyway. So we're gonna center this thing. We're gonna put it up a little bit higher, not quite all the way to the ceiling, maybe like cut it like there-ish, maybe, we'll see. And we're gonna paint the whole inside white with like some, not quite shiplap, but like little white boards, then do some tan neutral stuff, like natural colored boards for shelves inside with like a little shelving countertopy thing there. We can't go any lower because of the pipe that's in there, but we are going to expand it out all the way to the edge of the wall, because I don't know why the heck they did that in the first place. And we're actually going to put two like fake doors down here in this area, so that way we have access to that, to those plumbing things and wires and whatever else if anybody ever needed to get back there. So there you go. It should look really cool when we're finished. I'll show you along the way the rest of the mini amount of demo that we have left, and we're gonna go to the home improvement store, not sure which one yet, to grab our stuff. All right, so let's see where we end up. friends, we are back about a little over a week later. Took a little bit of a break, had to get our stuff together, and now we are working on the shelves. I'm going to show you what we did earlier today. We totally goofed and forgot to bring the camera earlier on, so when we went back home to pick up a couple of things for dinner over here, which were at Evan's parents' house, by the way, we brought the camera so that I could show you our progress. We took these big old mahogany plywood pieces and we measured them out and cut them and squared them off for the most part. We're gonna do a little bit more. And so now we glued like 2 sheets together. You can kind of see like 1, 2, and then these 2. That actually needs to go together a little bit more, but we're working on it. We might fill it in a little bit more. But then once they're all glued up, then we're gonna go ahead and cut off the sides so that they fit in correctly, square them off, and stain them with a mineral oil, which is over here. Ta-da! So yeah, that's our progress for right now. I'm sure we'll be back maybe tomorrow or next week, so that we can finish getting them the right size, and then we can stain them and hang them up. We also got our brackets from Amazon the other day, so we'll show you those when we're going to hang those. They're black L brackets, so should look good. But there you go, that's our quick little update on where we're at with our shelves. Hey everyone, so here we are. We started doing some of the staining yesterday when using this lovely oil. I think Evan might have talked to you a little bit about it, but this is actually, we've used it on a door downstairs, some shelves upstairs in our bathroom, now for these shelves, and there's still going to be a little bit left over, so definitely worth the investment. I think it was only maybe like, I don't know, $10 or so.
I don't think I showed you yesterday, but here it is.
Well, there you go. So I'm gonna flip it over, do the other side because we need to let them dry. Didn't want them to be like uneven or splotchy. And we might go back and do some touch-ups later, but here we go. You just get a little rag and go right with the grain of the wood. You can go against it too, depending on what the spots are like. If, you know, like there's some crack spots there that we might need to fill in a little bit more, but I feel like it gives it character, so.
I agree.
Just go with it. Alright, so now we're on to the painting process.
Look at that.
This is like the cutest little baby roller ever. So hopefully this will allow us to not get paint dripping into all the cracks.
We will see. Hello.
Hey! We're here for the conclusion of our shelf saga.
The beginning of the end.
As you can tell, this video has been quite long, and that's because it took a lot more time than we thought.
Yeah.
This is about almost a month after we started.
2 weeks? 3 weeks? 3
No,
weeks?
because it was right after your dad's birthday.
Oh yeah, my God, it's been
He was on
just about a
vacation,
month, yeah.
and it's like it's been a month since his birthday.
That's accurate. All right.
So, like 4 weeks. We're done.
Shelves are done.
For the
Trim
most
is
part.
in. We added stuff to the shelves.
Yeah, we haven't done the little bottom doors yet, but that's not like an urgent thing. It's more cosmetic, but also like semi-functional, but that's gonna come later. So
More for if there's a spill beyond in the pipe, we can get to it easier
yeah, so that'll be happening
later.
later. But let me flip this thing around and show you the finished product.
Woo!
With most of our stuff.
Yes. Boom.
Ta-da! Here it is. So we decided, it's not complete yet, as you can tell by the empty frame.
No, that's us.
But yeah, we're invisible. We have superpowers.
We decided a theme for each shelf. Figured that's the best way to do it. We'll start at the top. Jurassic Park. We got a bunch of pop vinyls up here. Got the Dilophosaurus, Velociraptor, T-Rex, and Alan Grant all the way at the end. In the back is my Jurassic Park score vinyl. This is a cassette that Adriana...
Cassette? It's a VHS.
VHS cassette. This is a VHS. Custom shoes.
From our friend Bill.
Yes. And it wouldn't be complete without the novelization of Jurassic Park and The Lost World. Next up, the Disney shelf. We have these gorgeous coasters that Meg got me for my birthday one year. Or was
On
it Christmas?
Etsy. It was...
One of the two. Christmas or birthday.
Well, yeah.
Then we have some cool books that we've accumulated in a magazine. This is my first Mickey that I ever got in a Disney park. That's very cool. I'm happy it has a home.
Cute.
And Steamboat Willie pop vinyl and a picture of us.
And to be clear, we have a lot of Disney stuff, but
We figured this is just
this is
cooler.
like, yeah, this is more like the, I don't know,
niche
little
collection?
pieces? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like a random collection of Disney things, so
Yeah.
there's more Disney elsewhere. This is just a few of the things. Then
we have a Star Wars shelf. We have our Coke bottle from Batu.
we finally have a spot for it.
I know, better than just a random bookcase. This awesome Art of the Force Awakens book that Meg got. One of my 4 models that I have put together. One of Kylo Ren and this one of Boba Fett. And we actually we ordered on Etsy a lightsaber hilt holder that we got for our lightsabers that we built at Savi's. So those will be displayed in here as well eventually. So
Yeah, and we haven't decided exactly what else we want to fill that space, but we're going to wait to see
Stuff.
how much the lightsabers take up.
yeah. And then final shelf is Harry Potter, also a work in progress. We have our Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone that we got in our on our trip to London. We have a fantastic Elder Wand that our friend Miranda got us when she was in Universal Japan. And obviously the 7 Harry Potter books.
Yeah.
So those are our shelves, more to be added.
Yeah, we also are planning on getting something Hufflepuff related. We're going to put a picture of us when we were in London at the Harry Potter studio tour in there somewhere, and a couple of other things. But we're kind of just going to leave some space so we can fill it in as we go.
Absolutely. It'll be a work in progress. I'm sure you'll see more stuff come up as we put it up. There you go.
That's it.
All the cool stuff that all the cool kids have.
We are finally
Done.
done for now. It is complete.
Yeah.
It's put together. Everything's in place. And let us know what you think.
Bye-bye, black hole.
Yeah. It's so good to have it gone. It's so much
Yeah.
brighter. It makes the room feel bigger.
Yep.
It's wonderful. So, that's it. We're all done. Thank you so much for following us on this journey. If you
It's
made
been
it
a
this
journey.
far, I think I told you subscribe and like and all that good stuff at the beginning, but
If
here's
not, do
your
it now.
reminder.
Like, share, all that good stuff. Find us on Instagram, Homeway from Disney, and Twitter, HAFD Official.
And we'll see you again real soon.
Bye.
Bye.